This is a 2005 Land Rover LR3 with the 4.4 liter V8. We have an oil leak on the valve covers at the top. It is at the Variable Valve Timing Solenoid, and it's the seal that seals the solenoid to the valve cover. There is the VVT, and we can see the seal around it is leaking oil. This side's better than the other side. My other side's actually kind of bad. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace that seal. This is a very easy job. I paid around $10 for the replacement seal. I will put the part number and links where you can buy one in the description. To replace the seal on this side of the engine, we only need to remove the electrical connector. It's a simple push down the tab and slide off. Here is the tab. And then we're going to take our small flat blade screwdriver and we're going to pry the seal up and over the VVT. I know you can't really see what I'm doing here, but when I get it off, I'll show you what you're supposed to do. Here's the old seal, and what you're doing is you're taking the flat blade screwdriver and you're working it underneath that lip and then twisting and prying it up off the solenoid. Now we take our new seal, pull him out of his package. I'm going to take some of the oil off the old seal and kind of lubricate the new guy. Put him over the solenoid, and you're going to feel that it's a nice snug fit. And you want to make sure you push it all the way on. And then snap on the electrical connector. To get to the solenoid seal on this side, we need to remove the resonator. So we'll take the flat blade screwdriver, unscrew those clamps, and then it's easy enough just to smush it back and then pull it off. If you have any difficulty doing that, you can take off the entire airbox cover and disconnect the mass airflow sensor and then just slide it out that way. Then we're going to take our flat blade screwdriver. Actually, that one's a little bit dirtier, so I'm going to clean him up first with some Simple Green. I'm going to get rid of any of the big debris off of it. And then get in there with our flat blade screwdriver. Oops, forgot to take off the electrical connector, so let's do that. Here's the new seal. Going to take the old seal, some oil off of it, lubricate him a little bit, and then put him in place. Smush him on all the way, put your electrical connector on, and then put the resonator back on. And there we go, we've installed 2 new VVT seals and fixed that oil leak. I hope you found the video useful. If you have any questions about how to do this, leave them in the comments and I will do my best to help you out. Have a great day.